Did you know that in 1988, fires burned nearly 800,000 acres of Yellowstone National Park? That's an area larger than the entire state of Rhode Island. It was a historic event that forever changed how we view fire in this iconic landscape. Today, we're journeying into the heart of Yellowstone to understand its fiery nature. These fires aren't just random events. They are a powerful force that shapes the entire ecosystem, affecting everything from the smallest wildflower to the largest grizzly bear. But as our climate changes, the rules of this ancient game are being rewritten. For centuries, Yellowstone has had a natural relationship with fire. Low-intensity fires would clear out old growth, making way for new life. But now we're facing a new reality. Wildfires are becoming larger, more intense, and more frequent. The fire season is longer and the conditions are drier and hotter than ever before. This creates a tinderbox situation where even a small spark can ignite a massive blaze that threatens not only the park, but also the surrounding communities and the delicate balance of its world-famous ecosystem. This isn't just a local problem. It's a symptom of a much larger global challenge that we all need to understand. So, what's fueling these superfires? It's a combination of factors. Decades of fire suppression policy meant that a lot of dead wood and underbrush built up, creating perfect fuel for larger fires. Now, couple that with the effects of climate change, longer droughts, higher temperatures, and earlier snowmelt. This creates a recipe for disaster. The impact on the landscape is dramatic. While fire is a natural part of the cycle, these intense blazes can scorch the soil so severely that it struggles to recover. This affects the types of trees that can grow back, like the iconic lodgepole pines, which actually need fire to release their seeds. When fires are too hot, even those seeds can be destroyed, fundamentally altering the forest for generations. This shift also impacts the animals that depend on that specific habitat for food and shelter, creating a ripple effect across the entire food web. Here's a thought that will keep you up at night. Some climate models predict that by the middle of this century, the Yellowstone we know today, a vast, forested landscape, could transform into something entirely different. Scientists are talking about a potential shift to more open grasslands and shrublands because the climate may no longer support the vast forests we associate with the park. This isn't a far-off prediction. It's a potential reality within our lifetimes. The fires we're seeing now might not be the peak of the crisis, but rather the opening act for a much larger, more profound environmental transformation that could redefine one of America's greatest natural treasures. So the story of Yellowstone's fires is a powerful reminder that our environment is in a state of rapid change. These massive blazes are not just destructive forces, they are messengers, telling us that the rules are changing and we need to listen. What are your thoughts on the future of our national parks in a changing climate? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this interesting, you might want to check out our video on the surprising recovery of Mount St. Helens. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing planet.